Okay, everyone's good? I'm good. Better than you. Okay. Okay. You guys, I'm going to come alongside. Okay. There you go.
We have you off the bow. Your transmission was broken. We are approximately 1 minute from you.
Grab onto that rope.
Pass
it to everyone.
Off your starboard side. You guys need the assistance over. Give me a shout, okay?
Everyone just grab onto that and I'm going to pull you over to me. Okay. If you want to come first, make sure everyone has that rope. If you want to come first, come to me. Leave all the bags. It's not worth it. What?
Guys, like she said, location 1 is approximately 2:30 when they walk past.
Grab onto the fenders right here. Give me a hand. There. Come on. On this side. Okay, come on. Give me your shit. Don't pull me in. Don't pull me in, dude. Come here. Come on.
Thank you.
I know. All the way to the bow. 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 Have a seat. Sit down on the deck for me.
I better not be on YouTube.
Oh.